Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. In this video, I have a mystery for you to solve. What is it? Now, let's take a closer look. It kind of looks like an alien vehicle from another galaxy. But I don't think that's what it is. Let's see. It could be a musical instrument, or maybe it's a giant clothespin? I don't think so. It's not American chopsticks. Do you know what it is? Well, if you think you know what it is, I want you to pause this video and type your response in the comments section, and that way we can see how smart you are compared to our other subscribers. Now, don't cheat, don't look at the other comments, because I'll know I'm a teacher. All right, pause the video and type your comment. Did you do it? Okay, time for the big reveal. Let me show you what it isn't. It's not a traditional ring clamp. Now, here on the OJA, we have demonstrated in several videos how to make a ring like this. This is a split shank ring. And if I want to hold this ring with a traditional ring clamp, really my only or best option is to just grab the base of the ring, or grab it from the bottom of the ring shank and put the wedge into the ring clamp like that. But if I tried to hold it any other way, I'm probably going to damage the ring. For example, if I come up too high on the ring, if I put that wedge back in there, I'm going to deform the ring like that and create all kinds of problems. And I don't want to do that. So a better option for me is the inside out ring clamp. So what you do is put your ring on the end and then open it up, and what happens is the clamp will open up like that, and it will securely hold the ring from the inside. Now, why would you want this? Well, you could be working on the outside of your ring for any number of reasons, but this will give you a different type of grip and maybe make you feel more secure holding that ring in place. But if you're a diehard, I've got to hold it from the base, well, guess what? The other end of the ring clamp functions exactly like the other one, except you turn the screw and then you can hold the ring like that, like a purist would, straight up like that. But for me personally, this gives me an opportunity to rock out in the shower. So I hope you like this video. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments as to like, who made it? Where'd you buy it? It's a Kirkland product, and I don't have a clue as to where I bought it. I shop around online to get the best price on things, and so should you. I hope you like this video. We have plenty of information on the onlinejewelryacademy.com on tools and projects. We also regularly post to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching. If you want my body and you think I'm sexy. No.